still building that building. Oh wow. Hurricane Ian still did a damage there. They're still recovering. Oh boy. Still rebuilding on this area after Hurricane Ian. Can you imagine that? We just had missed Hurricane Helene. Didn't do that much of damage here in Naples, thank God. But it did a damage in Hurricane Ian in 2022. They're still rebuilding. Still rebuilding. If you check my YouTube channel from 2 years ago, you'll see how different it looked then compared to now. It's still improving, but they're still doing work. Yep. So welcome to my channel. This is michellebbarhamlifestyle. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, please watch this video. And thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. I would appreciate it. For sure. For sure. So I'm driving on Gulfshore Blvd here. As you notice here. Still work being done to get it back to the state which it was at after Hurricane Ian did a lot of damage along this coast. Brought a lot of flood waters down here. That's what Hurricane Ian did. Yes. I have not yet walked on the beach to see what's going on with the sand dunes and all of that because just didn't get to it as yet. See what's happening here. These are a lot of new houses that were built in the past 10 years. Yep, they tore down old, put up new. Oh, this is new. Yep. 2 more years, some of these older homes will be gone. Yep, they will be gone. There's going to be a house over there. They're still working in that building. Yep. It's getting work all around. It's getting built up, getting repairs on all of these buildings here on Gulfshore Blvd. Yep. That's what it looks like right now compared to 2022. Is closed. There's damages on the beach. I guess they got to clean up because we got a lot of wind from Hurricane Helene. We did get a lot of wind, not much rain, but we got a lot of wind. And, you know, near the ocean, the beach side usually gets some amount of rain. But thank God we are blessed compared to North Carolina and Georgia, and I'm so sad for those people. They're suffering right now out of their homes flooded out, damaged. You know, it's so sad. I hope they get help soon. Oh boy, not a good thing. You know, sometimes most people are just used to, you know, hurricanes coming to Florida and nowhere else. So that's the situation with living in Florida. We expect to get the hurricanes. You know, we do get the hurricanes literally every year, but the other places don't expect to get it, you know.